What are you doing?
Besides dying.
Yeah, besides dying.
So we've got...
Go on the other side. My OSHA approved footwear.
Yep.
Okay.
This hose is just destroyed. It's nasty, but I got to pay attention so that we can not make a big, huge mess, because we need to drain the tank and not do that. Ready?
Yeah.
There's varnish on the bottom of that tank.
Nice.
So, yeah. So we've got to get out as much as we can to make it easier to lift, because it unbolts from the inside of the trunk.
That doesn't even smell like fuel.
No, it's tarnish at this point.
Yeah. Did this thing run?
We had it running when it first got here. I'm trying to figure out how.
It ran on like
7 cylinders. Oh, God, it's on my hand.
I'm gonna back up. Do you want a pair of hose clamp pliers? Hose pliers?
Yes, please.
Pause you guys real quick.